How to download Valorant on PC or laptop. So guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can download the Valorant game on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open a browser on your system. So simply I'm opening the Chrome browser. So after opening a browser, you'll have to search here for Valorant. Okay, so after searching the Valorant, you will be able to find this official website like playvalorant.com. So simply click on this. And from here, you'll have to choose for the options like play for free. So simply click on this. And from here, you'll have to choose PC. So as we are downloading for PC, so simply click on this PC. And here you have to log in with your accounts. So if you have a Riot account, you'll have to sign in from here. So it don't, if, please click on this. So right now I have no any account. So I'm clicking on this make one. Okay. So from here, I can also create an account with Google. So simply I'm clicking on it. Okay. So I'm clicking on this. Create account. So simply create here a birth date. So I'm entering the birth date. And simply I have to check in on this section. So simply check in. And here you have to click on this next arrow button. So simply click on this. So now from here, you'll have to click on this download option. Okay, the setup file is downloading from here. Like you can see it's downloading. Okay, so now it has been downloaded. So simply you have to open the valorant.exe file. And from here, a pop-up window will appear. So simply click on this install option. Like it will consume your 49.4 GB of your storage. So right now I have no such enough memory to install it. So likewise, you can also download the Valorant app on your PC or laptop. So that's all. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon there